Zdravo! Welcome to the new episode of Serbian for Beginners. I'm your online Serbian tutor, Nikola. Before we start, make sure to follow my Instagram page, Learn Serbian or Serbian Language Network, where you can book your free trial lesson and find even more learning materials. If you have any question, you can also write me at email in the description of each episode. Today you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Serbian. We will read text in 3 levels of difficulty, each more advanced than the one before. The topic will mostly stay the same. We will only change and add certain types of words. There will be the list of words you can read at the end of the transcript. Okay, let's start with the easiest text. Level 1. Zdravo! Ja sam Nikola, imam 24 godine. Ja živim u Beogradu, u Srbiji. Studiram srpski jezik na univerzitetu. Volim da čitam, pišem i slušam muziku. Ja sviram gitaru, a dugo ne igram tenis. Hoću da idem u London. Could you understand anything? I try to use short sentences, limited vocabulary and present tense only. Even though nothing is wrong with this text, it's always better to expand it and include more diverse vocabulary. Let's try to do just that. Level 2. Zdravo! Kako si? Ja sam Nikola i ja imam 24 godine. Sada živim u Beogradu u Srbiji. Ja sam student, studiram srpski jezik na univerzitetu u Beogradu. Mnogo volim da čitam, ali volim i da pišem. Mnogo volim da slušam muziku svaki dan. Ja znam da sviram gitaru, a volim da igram i tenis, ali nisam igrao tenis baš dugo. Želim da putujem i da idem u London. Kako se ti zoveš? Gde živiš? For some students, this can be more challenging. I included new vocabulary, adverbs, verbs, and some common expressions like kako si. Let's take a look at the level 3. Level 3. Zdravo! Kako si? Ja se zovem Nikola i imam 24 godine. Trenutno sam u Beogradu u Srbiji. Ovdje studiram srpski jezik na Beogradskom univerzitetu. Ja sam na poslednjoj godini studija. Baš volim da čitam, ali još uvek nemam omiljenu knjigu. Volim i da pišem također. Svaki dan kada odmaram, slušam muziku. Znam da sviram gitaru, ali ne sviram trenutno. Kada sam bio mali, trenirao sam tenis, ali sada više ne treniram. Želim da putujem. Ići ću u London sljedeće godine. Kako se ti zoveš? Gdje živiš? Da li voliš Srbiju? At this last level we used longer sentences, adjectives, more verbs and adverbs, and 3 tenses, past, present and future. You can also notice more frequent use of connectors. So what do you think at the end? Is this comparison helpful? Of course, you should definitely try to write your own introduction. If you're more comfortable, try upgrading sentences and phrases until you reach your highest level of proficiency. Use the list at the end of the transcript. That would be all for this short beginner episode. I plan on expanding and uploading more frequently each month, so stay updated. Please follow the Instagram page Learn Serbian or Serbian Language Network, where you can book your free trial lesson. If you have any question, you can also write me at email in the description of each episode. Vidimo se uskoro. Ćao!